Assalamu Alaikum dear viewers.
My name's 𝕋𝕎𝕀𝕋𝕋𝔼ℝ
And I'm 𝕋𝕋𝕼.
and we're back with another exciting video.
𝕋𝕎𝕀𝕋𝕋𝔼, why are we in the kitchen today?
Because we're going to bake chocolate chip cookies, 𝕋𝕼.
But we don't have any ingredients.
Don't worry, I have a trick.
MashaAllah, we have all the ingredients. Now we can start baking.
𝕋𝕼, what are the ingredients?
Egg,
Milk,
butter,
sugar,
baking powder, and the ingredient,
chocolate. Remember, before we bake, we should wash our hands. Let's go, 𝕋𝕼.
A few moments later.
Now we are back from washing our hands. We can start. What do we always say before starting?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 𝕋𝕼, can you now please put the sugar into the bowl?
Okay, 𝕋𝕎𝕀.
I'm going to put some butter into it. I'm now going to mix the ingredients well. I'm going to add flour into it now. 𝕋𝕼, can you now please crack an egg into the bowl?
I will crack the egg into the bowl in case to see if it's a rotten egg. Now I will add vanilla essence and baking powder and mix it well.
𝕋𝕼, don't forget to break up some chocolate chips and then put them into the bowl.
Okay, 𝕋𝕎𝕀.
If the mixture gets too thick, we shall add milk. You have mixed very well. Now can you please bring the baking tray while I move all the items to the side? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 𝕋𝕼, would you like to try?
Yes, 𝕋𝕎𝕀.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
As you can see, we have poured the butter in the baking tray.
Our mother has preheated the oven for us. But remember, children, you must always be supervised by adults.
We will wait for 12 to 15 minutes for the cookies to be cooked.
MashaAllah, 𝕋𝕼, the cookies are rising very well.
Alhamdulillah. While we were waiting for the cookies to rise, we had some fun outside activities. Come on, 𝕋𝕎𝕀, let's show the viewers what we made. The oven was very hot, so our mum helped us to take out the cookies. But the results were excellent.
MashaAllah. 𝕋𝕼, would you like to try one?
Okay, 𝕋𝕎𝕀. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Scrumptious, but very hot.
Now, 𝕋𝕼, I'm going to try one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very hot, but delicious and soft and
crunchy.
yeah.
Viewers, if you liked our videos, please like,
Subscribe, share.
and hit that bell button so you never miss any new future content. Till next time,
مع السلامة.